behalf of UN Tourism, I'm truly honored to welcome you to this regional workshop on sustainable gastronomy tourism in the Pacific.
This workshop marks a profoundly significant step for Pacific tourism sector.
We are pleased to support this event and we hope it may offer us space for exchanging ideas and building meaningful long-term collaboration.
This project is really a testament of the powerful collaboration between multi-stakeholder partners such as UN Tourism, the Mountain Partnership Secretariat, FAO, South Pacific Tourism Organization, and the Italian Agency for Development Cooperation.
One thing that this workshop can be very helpful is a common challenges everybody is saying is that we are working very hard on our own. The Pacific Islands has to work together. That is the, I think, strength of Fiji and the Pacific as a whole. People's hospitality, the core of tourism, the core of culture is coming from people.
I'm so grateful to be part of the workshop. It's worthwhile, especially us on the island. We are trying to promote our products and in line with the tourism. And we know that gastronomy is not only what you eat, but it's bringing visitors to your island to experience the food, the taste, and the culture and tradition of our people.
As French, when I say gastronomy, I was doubtful. I said, gastronomy in the Pacific, what a bloody ambitious project. But actually, it's the way we present it. Everything can become gastronomy if you present it in a certain way, you know.
For 3,000 years, we've been involved in gastronomy. I think gastronomy is just a new word that hasn't been really used in the Pacific Islands. What this new initiative of gastronomy will bring about is getting people to value the food that they serve. That should be able to add more value into how you are promoting a place in terms of sustainable and regenerative tourism.
This project was born with the idea to create really a community. Of course, there is a capacity building, there's the itineraries, there are some specific outputs, but really the objective of this project is to create, as I said, a community which could share best practices, which could learn and teach each other, and which could have a say in the future of the tourism in the Pacific SIDS.
I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all the partners sincerely. A big vinaka vakalevu for recognizing the work of the Pacific, but also recognizing the broader need to evolve together as a tourism family globally. We know that other regions are also doing so well in gastronomy tourism, and I thank them for recognizing that this is an opportunity that's still untapped in the Pacific and that we can work together to strengthen how we move forward with it.